In this Digs Toolbox video, I'll show you how to annotate documents in Digs so you can quickly communicate changes, flag issues, and collaborate with your team directly on your plans. Annotations within Digs let you visually communicate ideas on your blueprints. Instead of sending separate notes or emails, everything lives right on the plan, image, or document that you're collaborating in. This makes collaboration faster and easier. To get started, open any document and select the annotation tools on the left-hand side. You'll see there are various tools available. These are the Draw tool, preset shapes, freeform text, line and area measurements, stamps and icons, color picker, and finally, comments or tasks. To draw, select the draw icon and freeform apply annotations. If you need a straight line, hold down the Shift key and a straight line will be made available. Please note, adding annotations places them only on the current active layer, not all active layers. Let's give an example of applying a paint team notification about color. We will use the Shapes and Text tools and apply it to a dedicated layer for paint team annotations. Click to add the selected shape annotation to your document or blueprint. We'll also apply some text. Now move the text as needed. In this case, we would normally move text and start forming a data key. This information can now be toggled on and off to hide when it's not necessary for a given team. Another available shape is the cloud, commonly used to highlight important changes. Measurements are also easy. Simply choose the measurement tool you prefer and annotate the screen. Digital measurements are applied in the center. You can also elect to temporarily hide annotations using the Hide Annotations button at the bottom center. This hides all freeform info on the screen, leaving only measurements. If you find that your screen is too messy, removing unneeded annotations is a snap. Simply choose it with the arrow tool or drag and highlight. If you accidentally highlight too much, just click and try again. Then press Delete on your keyboard. If you have annotations that need to become permanent, you can export this information flattened by going to the File menu and choosing Export. From here, choosing Include Annotations will merge the drawings from all toggled active layers into a single PDF. Keeping information focused to a given layer or team is the fastest way to ensure information stays actionable. Those are the basics. Annotating in Digs is quick, visual, and collaborative. It's one of the easiest ways to keep your entire team aligned directly on the plans. For more information, help, and tutorials, please visit url support.digs.com.